Good morning, students. Today's topic in physics is radioactivity. And this is the first lecture in this topic. So concentrate yourself. We are going to start now. Radioactivity is the spontaneous and uncontrollable emission of the particles and rays from radioactive substances such as uranium, radium, radon, etc. So this is the definition of the radioactivity. Now the types of the radiations. Experiments show that natural radioactive materials emit only three types of the radiations. First is alpha particles. This is the sign of the alpha. Number two, beta particles. This is the sign of beta. And number three, gamma particles. This is the sign of the gamma. Alpha beta particles consist of streams of tiny charged particles. Gamma ray is an electromagnetic wave of short wavelength. The three different types of the radiation show different properties. Next, we are going to read the detectors of the alpha, beta and gamma rays. The first detector is photographic film, and how it works is explanation is here. Photographic films will be blackened by all three types of the radiation when they fall on the films. Photographic film is mainly used by radiation workers. It measures the quantity of the radiation fallen on the workers within a certain period. The next detector is Geiger-Müller tube. In short, this is called GM tube. Explanation is argon gas is ionized when radiation enters the GM tube. The positive ions are attracted to the cathode and negative ions are attracted to the anode. A pulse of current is produced in the GM tube. The pulse of current is detected by a scaler of rate meter. The reading on the scaler or rate meter reflects the radiation level. So this is how GM tube works. And here is the figure. The next is the diffusion cloud chamber. This is the picture of the cloud chamber. And how it works is, explanation is here. When radiation passes through the dense vapor, air is ionized and ions are formed. The alcohol vapors condenses on the ions. The ionizing particles therefore leave tracks in the cloud chamber. You can see the tracks in the cloud chamber. Typical cloud tracks of alpha, beta and gamma radiations are shown. These are the tracks of alpha particles. These are the tracks of beta particles. And these are the tracks of gamma rays. You have to remember these because this normally questions come in the MCQs paper number 1 of the physics. So this was the first lecture of the topic radioactivity in the chapter of radioactivity in physics O levels. This is one of the very important topic in physics, students. So read this lecture again very carefully and make your notes. Thank you so much.